It's so nice to be in Michigan. My daughter went to University of Michigan, and that's the reason it gave me a chance to learn about Ann Arbor. What a beautiful city. Go Blue! And it gave me an opportunity to visit different restaurants. The first restaurant we went is Fita Batitos. I love this restaurant. You walk in, it's clean, it has a great menu, food is delicious. The sandwich I really like is inspired Cuban. What a sandwich. You take a bite and you are happy. And all the side dishes are great. Everything is close to each other, so you kind of walk around and you really have a nice time. Fleetwood Diner. It's right on the corner. It has a great menu for breakfast. I didn't get a chance to try the breakfast, but it looks really good. What I tried was the grilled chicken sandwich and a pita, and the yogurt sauce is fantastic. This restaurant, Real Seafood, it looked really good, so we went in and we tried a couple of different things. And one of the things I really enjoy is the shrimp tostada. They did it really well, and it had like a mango salsa. It was really good. La Torcha Vita, what a beautiful restaurant. It has a great menu, but what we tried in this restaurant was the desserts. They have a great dessert menu. The two desserts we tried, it was the banana foster and the creme brulee, 5 stars. We really enjoyed it very much. If you have a favorite restaurant, please let us know in the comments below.